So guys, today we have this question: y equal x power x power x. We will need to find y dash. We will solve this question step by step. First, we will apply len for both sides. So len y equals x power x multiplied by len x. So we will call x power x a. So a equals x power x. We will need this next. So we will make substitution. So len a equals len y equals a len x. Make derivative with respect to x, so y dash over y equals a multiplied by 1 over x plus len x a dash. So y dash equals y multiplied by a over x plus len x a dash. Okay. We will substitute y, so y dash equals x power x multiplied by a, we say x power x, so x power x over x plus len x a dash. We need to find a dash, so we have a equals x power x, so we will apply len for both sides, so len a equals x len x. Next, we will make derivative with respect to x, so a dash over a equals x multiplied by 1 over x plus len x. So in the end, a dash equals a equals x power x multiplied by 1 plus len x. We have here a dash. We will substitute here a dash, so y dash in the end equals x power x multiplied by x power x over x plus len x multiplied by x power x 1 plus len x. Like and subscribe. Bye.